Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you guys doing? Hope you guys are doing well. I know this video is coming late because it's a birthday name for August. I didn't know I have this names and I didn't posted it, but when I found it I quickly did the voiceover and I'm trying to upload it. Okay, how are you guys doing? Hope you guys are doing well. This is a very beautiful nails. It's a 30th birthday nails that I did on my client, and this nails came out so well. I already did the prepping off camera. I'm just taking out the shine from the nails. You guys know how we do this. Okay, so those are my primers, extra bond, my Madame Glam, my go-to Madame Glam base coat. So I'm just applying my primer. When you apply your primer and then you go in with your extra bond and then you apply your base coat, you cure it for 60 seconds. Do not cure your primer and extra bond, you only cure your base coat. So I'll cure my base coat for 60 seconds. So guys, I'm gonna go in with my Bombshell pink polygel. This color, I love it. So with this video we're gonna use both nude and pink polygel. We're going to make an ombre and we're just going to make a regular nude polygel. So guys, I'm just applying the ombre. After applying it, I'll cure it for 60 seconds. When you want to apply your ombre, you first apply the color on the tip and then you go with your nude as this transitional shade. That way you have a perfect and a good ombre. So after that, I'll cure it for 60 seconds. Let's give a warm welcome to our new subscribers. You guys are welcome to the channel. Welcome. My name is Lauren, and on this channel we do polygel nails, we review product and we unbox product. Please stick around. Always watch my videos, like on my videos, comment on my videos. If you are subscriber and your post notification bell is not turned on, please hit the post notification bell. Okay, and to our returning subscribers, welcome back to another video. Thank you for always coming back to watch my videos. I appreciate you guys a lot. So I'm just applying my nude polygel on the ring finger. That's where we're going to have the nude polygel, and we're going to have an ombre on all the rest of the fingers, and then we'll cure it for 60 seconds.
Seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago.
So I'm going to apply the second layer to the nails and then I'll cure it for 60 seconds. I'm just applying this nude to just the ring finger, and then we'll move on to doing the ombre part of this video.
Not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago.
So guys, we're gonna do the ombre part of the nails. It's just for you to have the nude that you want to use and then apply it on the nails and then start working it down the color that you already have. Okay, so that's how you do your ombre nails. It's very easy. Just take your time, relax, and do your ombre, because if you make any mistake, it's really hard to correct the mistake.
You keep stalling, I hear destiny and it's calling. I'll keep my head up high through the downs and lows, and we're all going life. Still nobody knows, but I'ma choose what's right and take what comes and goes. And ain't no one in life holding me back no more. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. Magic, believe change, been through a lot of pain.
So guys, because it's an ombre nails, you will always apply your clear polygel just to encapsulate the ombre. Okay, so that whenever you file, you don't overfile the ombre. You don't want to overfile it because then you lost the beauty of the nails. So I'm just applying the clear polygel on the nails, and then I'll cure it for 60 seconds. All my products are going to be in the description box. Click on the link and it's going to directly take you to Amazon because I order all of this stuff on Amazon. So I'm just going to do it and then I'll cure it for 60 seconds. So it's done curing for 60 seconds. I apply the clear on all the nails, okay? And then now I'm just cleaning with my rubbing alcohol. You can also use your sleep solution. I use both anytime and I'm doing this. I can use both I can use both my rubbing alcohol and my sleep solution. So I'm just filing using my Macat file just to shape both sides of the nails, file the top of the nails, just make sure I have the perfect coffin that I want to go for. And then I'll go with my sanding band, I'll go with my e-file, just like that. I'm just going to file it, and then you guys will see the beautiful look of these nails.
Change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays. Way back a year ago. I'm not falling. I'll push all my chips and call all in. I'll bet on myself, you keep stalling. I hear destiny and it's calling. I'll keep my head up high through the downs and lows, and we're all going live. Still nobody knows, but I'ma choose what's right and take what comes and goes. And ain't no one in life holding me back no more. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays. Way back a year ago. Magic, believe change. Been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays. Way back a year ago.
So now I'm gonna go with my buffer. I'm just gonna buff all the nails just to have a perfect nails, okay, so that I'll have a beautiful nails to work with, because we're going to start applying the design to the nails. It's a very simple and easy design. So if you want to do a 30th birthday, trust me, this design is for you. So I have those, my 3D flowers and my rhinestone. I have my Modern One gel. I have my Topcoat. I have the sign Leo for the birthday girl. I know this is coming late. Please do not judge me. I'm sorry. I didn't know I didn't upload this video. So I'm just gonna apply the gel on the nails, which is my rhinestone glue, and then I'll apply my top coat. I'll start applying the rhinestone on the nails. After applying it, I'll cure it for 60 seconds. When you do that, it makes your nails last it makes your rhinestone last very long on the nails, okay, so that it doesn't fall off. I'm still going to do the same thing on the ring finger, and then I'll apply the Leo to the nails, and then I'll cure it for 60 seconds.
I'll push all my chips and call all in. I'll bet on myself, you keep strong. keep my head up high through the downs and lows, and we're all going live. Still nobody knows, but I'ma choose what's right and take what comes and goes. And ain't no one in life holding me back no more. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be.
If you know you have watched it this time and you are enjoying this video, please hit the subscribe button, turn on post notification bell so that when I upload any video you will be the first to get notified. Please always like my video. It gives me the impression that you guys are enjoying my video. Okay, so I'm still applying the rhinestone on the nails. Now I'm just applying the 3D flower and then I'll cure it for 60 seconds. Please, if you are a subscriber and your post notification bell is not turned on, please turn on post notification bell so that when I upload any video you will be the first to get notified.
I'm not falling. I'll push all my chips and call all in. I'll bet on myself, you keep stalling. I hear destiny and
so guys, I'm gonna apply my top coat on all the nails and then I'll cure it for 60 seconds. Whenever you have your rhinestone on your nails, please do not apply your top coat over your rhinestone because it takes out the shine from the rhinestone. So, and I also apply the flower on other fingers and then I cured it for 60 seconds. So guys, I'm gonna apply my oil on all the nails so that you guys will see the beautiful look of these nails. These nails came out so well. It's a birthday nails and I was so glad doing these nails. Please wish, even though it's late, I'm sorry, wish her a very happy birthday. So this is the beautiful look of these nails. These nails came out so well, so beautiful. You can use it, you can do it for your birthday. Okay, please, if you know you enjoyed this video and you understood this tutorial, hit the subscribe button, like, share, comment, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.
I'm not falling. I'll push all my chips and call all